A very beautiful morning to all my great listeners. I have prepared this audio clip for all those students, all those young generation, and the other people who are listening to me right now regarding your career and life. All right. So I would like to share my personal experiences and all the ups and downs which I have faced during getting the success into my life. So let me tell you that like being motivated at work and in life is crucial for your performance, and the power of words can physically and emotionally regenerate you. Inspirational speeches can guide you to keep performing at your best and drive your team to achieve their goals. The right words at the right time can change you and challenge you. Being a student, you are studying in different classes, you are going through a lot of things, like you have been through the pandemic last year, and you know what kind of situation happened in previous year. Now everything is getting smoother and smoother, and we are trying to cope up into the system. And being a student, it's your duty, it's your responsibility to take everything a responsible person. Now, no matter what is thrown at you in life, you can use these speeches, or you can get all these lessons to stay motivated. Now, I would like to tell you here that how inspiration impacts people. Inspiration helps people forward. It pushes apathy away and awakens people to new and exciting possibilities. They are able to transcend their limitations and mundane lives. It can help all people to become more creative and help them to progress toward their goals if they are open to do it. That means if you are very much open into your life, if you are very much open to take any challenges into your life, then you can obviously you can grow up, you can get maturity enough into your life, and you will be able to understand the things also. All right, you will be able to understand the goal what you have in your life, and you will be start struggling for that. Now I would like to quote an example over here, because there was a time when I have watched this movie, and the name of the movie is The Pursuit of Happiness, and the actor was Will Smith in this movie. I really liked this movie, and this movie really motivated me a lot. Alright, so I would like to throw some light on this movie and the characters also, that what happened in this movie, so that you can also get motivated after this speech. So considering one of the best motivational speech in this movie, what I saw, the scene starts with the Smith and his son playing basketball. When his son shouts, "I am going pro," Smith decides to try and temper his son's expectations, telling him he never excelled at basketball, so he shouldn't expect to. His son is visibly disappointed, and Smith launches into his speech proclaiming, "Don't ever let somebody tell you that you can't do something, not even me." He tells his son, "You got a dream, you gotta protect it, you want something to get it, period. The takeaway, only you can decide to chase a dream. No one can stop you besides yourself." So the motto is that when the father is trying to teach his son that nothing is impossible in this world, it totally depends on your vision, that how do you see the things. If you have completely decided into your mind that the things are really difficult into your life, we really cannot handle it in any other ways, then definitely it's going to be very hard for you or anyone else in the world, right? So you have to change the perception towards the things, and you have to start working on it. You have to see that how your parents are working hard into their lives to make your life much more better, and also you need to focus on your forthcoming future. There you have to be very much like progressive into your life, and you will be keep moving. All right. So I hope that this speech will help you to get motivated into your life. And all the great listeners who are listening to me right now, I'm very thankful to them that they have given very precious times out of their busy schedule, and they listened it very carefully. So I'll be keep on posting all these audios and videos on my channel. Please just get in touch with me, and please subscribe my channel, and please share it, comment it with others also. Thank you.